everyone out there, it's Roberto Miki again, and we've got another great hand question of the week. It's number 35 in our series of questions for medical students, residents, and fellows studying for the boards or in-training exams. Well, it's a question on the proximal biceps anatomy. Which statement best describes the relationship between the long head of the biceps musculotendinous junction and the distal edge of the pectoralis major? A, the biceps musculotendinous junction lies 8 centimeters distal. B, the biceps musculotendinous junction lies 3 centimeters distal. C, the biceps musculotendinous junction lies directly below. D, the biceps musculotendinous junction lies 3 centimeters proximal. Or E, the biceps musculotendinous junction lies 8 centimeters proximal to the pectoralis major distal edge. Well, this is your chance to pause the video so you can think about the question and answer it. Understanding the relationship between the long head of the biceps musculotendinous junction and the inferior border of the pectoralis major is important in the setting of a subpectoral open tenodesis of the long head of the biceps. During the tenodesis, setting the correct tension on the biceps relies on the understanding that the musculotendinous junction should be about 3 centimeters distal to the distal edge of the pectoralis major. Here is the reference, and I think it's a good read. And the answer to the question is B. The biceps musculotendinous junction lies about 3 centimeters distal to the distal edge of the pectoralis major. Well, hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like and subscribe so you can help to continue to support this channel. We'll see you at the next one.